Merry Christmas. I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman, Senior Minister at CCU Orlando, and I want to invite you to join us this Sunday at 10:30 for our last week of Advent. Christmas is just around the corner, and we are talking about joy to the world. Joy within and joy that we carry out when we are filled up and connected in alignment with the indwelling presence of the divine. What a wonderful gift to ourselves and to those that we love around us when we are aligned in joy. If that sounds like something that you are ready to celebrate and cultivate and uplift, then I invite you to join us for a wonderful service, wonderful music, and celebrating the imminent birthing of the new Christ from within. We'll see you this Sunday. Merry Christmas.